It's springtime, so now it's time for us to talk about spring maintenance. And it's not going to be the usual spring maintenance. It's going to be about the maintenance of your home from the standpoint, or are you fully protected when it comes to your insurance? So, for example, have you first off had made any home improvements for your house? For example, like upgrading your kitchen or added a deck? Well, this enhancement can also increase your home's value, and your insurance should actually reflect that. Have you acquired any type of new valuables in the home to ensure that they're fully covered? Your original policy might not be enough. And then also, what about have you added a pool? Or how about possibly a furry friend? Now, with those two, you might need more liability coverage to protect against any type of injury claims. And let's not forget, if you upgrade like security systems, or you may also then also qualify for discounts. If your financial situation allows, you may opt in for a higher deductible, which could also possibly lower your premium. So, do you live in an area now that may be more susceptible to natural disasters? Your standard policy that you currently have might not cover these, so you might want to take a look at getting some type of additional endorsements. In general, keep in mind that life changes and so does your home and your possessions. So you might want to annually take a look and review your homeowner's insurance policy in order to keep yourself fully protected. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to call, text, or email me. I'm always happy to help.